Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to another one of our videos. Today we're going to talk about Palantir Technologies. We'll cover the updated short interest that just came out this past week. And I'll also cover news articles and the new contracts that came out this past week as well. And then we're going to talk about the price action on our chart and see where we're heading towards. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and click any of the money icons below to review our past videos. Please click the like button and subscribe. So let's get busy. Currently we have 500 shares of Palantir. We were going to do a covered call against her, but her price action didn't go up high enough for me to do the weekly covered call. We'll look at it again on Tuesday. On Friday, the market closed. The share price was $22.95 at the close. It went up 1.10%. As you can see for the NASDAQ, it was following the NASDAQ down at the end of the day. It shot up in the beginning. It's because of Reddit folks, and we're going to talk about that. We got an article on the Reddit. The NASDAQ, it went up, and then it started going back down. So remember, Palantir will follow the NASDAQ. Okay, but now the Reddit people are involved. Anything can happen with the share price. Let's look at our analyst down here. In May, that there was 2 sells. The low on the analyst targets are $17. The high is $30. And the midway is $22.43. Let's cover the updated short interest first, and then we'll get on to our chart, and then we'll get on to all the news articles that we have. Currently, the float size is 1.4 billion shares. The short percentage of the float is 6%. Now, the update changed from April 30th to May 14th, which is a 15-day period. It increased the short position by 37.7%. So we went from 61, almost 62 million shares up to 85 million shares that are sold short. Now that's based off of that reporting date of 5/14. So the short interests are going up. So they're getting bold and saying that they're not worried about the share price or anything, that they're going to make money on the shares to go down. I will also place this article down below. Now this is what's happening here, is the Reddit guys got involved in it this past week. So on Friday, this puppy spiked up to $24.40, pretty much at opening here. And then it started going down because the NASDAQ was going down. You see this? It was losing interest during the day. And then boom, at the end of the day, I see the spike here that went up to $24 the last 15 minutes. There was 6.4 million shares traded in a 15-minute period. As long as we stay on this blue line, keep trending higher, I believe we're still going a lot higher than we are now. If you look up here, it says short-term, mid-term, and long-term settlements. So the short-term is bullish, mid-term is bullish, and long-term is neutral. And the RSI right now is not bad at all, at a 44. It's not too high. Remember, when it gets too high, like close to 90, like it did up here, it failed. So then it came back down. Okay, so if RSI stays between 56 and down here at 44 or 45, we're good to go. So always keep an eye on this RSI as well. In addition to the news, guys, you still have to watch the news and understand your stock at a technical level. Let's look at the one-day intervals. Look at what happened here. We went all the way down here, and then we popped up here. We've been climbing, all the way up to here. So we broke this resistance level, the first resistance. Okay, now we got some other resistance to break through, the 23.88. And then we got the other resistance of 25.42. You know, once we cross that 25.42, you know, the next levels are way up here. I mean, up into the 30s. So I believe we're going to hit those 30 marks by the end of the year, 30 to 35 level. That's my plan for the stock. So if we keep just trending like this, then the covered calls are going to be real good for us. Maybe we do them every 2 weeks or weekly covered calls against the stock. and put it out of the money. Like put it at a 25 level or 26 level or 27 level, wherever these breakouts at. That's what I'm going to do this next week here. If the Reddit community pops this thing back up, I'm going to go ahead and lock in my covered call. The first news we have here is a contract been awarded $111 million to provide mission command platform for the United States Special Operations Command. And then they go through everything about the contract. It's saying that the company will get a $52.5 million execution. The company will receive $52.5 million once they sign the contracts. And the total contract includes a base year plus one option year. So therefore, they could pick up more money for the second year. And then they talk about the special operators are risking their lives with no-fail scenarios. This article will be down below as well. Now, before we get to the Reddit article, we're going to go ahead and cover this article here about Palantir could dominate the data field. This article just came out Sunday. They talk about there being the leading data analytics and artificial intelligence software company with a mission to ensure that the West achieves dominance in the exploiting world of data and machine learning. Now they're going to talk about the government. Now they're going to talk about the headwinds. The company does face a few potential headwinds, one external and one internal. While the platform enjoys a wide moat thanks to its increasing mission-critical role in the United States defense technology infrastructure, its Foundry platform has a tougher hill to climb. Foundry is quite expensive and is therefore unaffordable for many companies who might be better served by a cheaper alternative from one of many capable competitors. Furthermore, the company is currently issuing large amount of stock-based compensation to employees. We got to keep an eye on that, because this is not the first article stating this. I've covered this in the past, which destroys profitability and dilutes existing shareholders considerably. And they talk about the valuations. And the valuations are getting better for this company, more contracts they pick up. They talk about the Wall Street take. The average price is 21.75, so Yahoo hasn't updated their information yet. And then they talk about the potential upside. Now, this guy that wrote this article has a long position in Palantir as well. I will also place this article down below for you to read the whole thing. Remember, you need to read all these articles before you invest in all the company. The Reddit community here. These are the 5 stocks that's seen the most chatter on Friday. AMC, GME, the BlackBerry, and then here's number 4, Palantir Technologies. They talk about being a software company. Shares heading 4% higher this morning. And then they talk about Virgin Galactic. That's the 5th stock that they're looking at. I appreciate you guys watching our video today. I want you guys to enjoy your weekend with your family. And please share our videos with others. And if you have any questions whatsoever or comments, please put them down below so we can answer them that you want to share with everybody else. So go ahead and click the like button so other people can get these videos in front of them, and subscribe so you can get our future content. You guys take care of yourself. And again, thank you for watching. This is Sonny. I'm out.